So today I want to show you the template that will help you manage your welcome books a little bit better than you currently do. The idea is pretty simple. You create your listing for the property that you have, and then you create a related welcome book for this listing. So let me show you how it's done. Let me show you the cool tricks and a few features that we implemented here. So first of all, you just create your unit, pretty straightforward. There is nothing much going on here. You can just add some information about the unit, but that's pretty much as simple as this. And once that is done, you go ahead and create a welcome book. You do it from a template. We already preset a template for you to use. So let me show you a field example. Inside of each template, you will have a nice to-do list of everything that you need to add to the welcome book. And that consists of the welcome message, just a little some message that you show to your potential either prospects or to the people who booked the property with you. You include some quick information. You include some check-in, check-out instructions, where to find essential things in your house. You add house rules, what they can do, what they cannot do. You then include a list of things that you can do around your property. Maybe there are some restaurants or parks or clubs or any other activities that you want to share with people. And there are a few more sections different for digital and printed books. So the cool thing about this is each template will include two different versions of the welcome book. One will be digital, that you can share with the person who booked the property with you. And the other one will be printed, that you print out and leave somewhere, on the table at the property where people come in and they can check it out. So as I mentioned, there are two more sections. One is for digital only, and this includes some photos with some extra information about each room. We suggest you do it, but it's up to you. You don't have to. And the other one is printed book. This is where we can add like a thank you note, some review note, and whatnot. So once you fill in this information, all of these shared blocks will be shown on both of these templates. So let me go over them. So first, it's going to be a digital welcome book. You can see that you can include some additional pictures of the property. And all of this information is nicely shown here. You can see the photos, you can see the info. And this is something that will be shared with people who just booked the property with you and they are ready to come in. All you have to do is you just press share, you share to web, and you send them this link. They will get access to this page and they can take a look, be prepared for the property, be advised on the rules and on the instructions. And the other version, if we go back, would be the printed version, which is fairly similar but has a little bit less photographs because you don't really have to show photographs of the room where people are already in that room. And this one includes some more info like a thank you note, a review section, and maybe some additional discount you want to give to people so they come next time. And for this one, instead of sharing it, you just hit export and you print it as PDF and you just print it out and leave it somewhere at the property. As simple as this. This is very elegant and simple way to manage your welcome books because it's very important to have this automation and this process streamlined and getting everything. Especially if you have multiple properties, it's very essential to have the same process and the same management of these assets handled, and Notion is the best tool we found to do this. You can find this template already on sale on our website, and with that you will also find some additional free resources list for Airbnb managers. This is a great tool. I suggest you check it out. The links will be somewhere in the description under this video. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy. Have a good day.